Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm actually going to review the most natural wig that I've ever installed on my channel. So this hair, I got it from SoGood Hair. It's the Kinky straight hair in 18 inches. I'm just going to show you the hair. I'm going to customize it and I'm going to try to style it on camera. If you can see, the lace front has a really deep part, which I really liked compared to most wigs that I get. Also, it comes with combs and it's neatly done inside, although I'm going to remove the combs because they usually hurt my head. So the first thing we're going to do is to tweeze the frontal. You guys know I don't put any hair on my head without tweezing the frontal to ensure that it's very realistic. I'm just spraying water and I'm just going to tweeze it with my tweezer. The next thing we're going to do is to bleach the hair, and as always you guys have seen me do this over and over again on my page, so you can actually go back and watch the video. So I'm just using my True Lights bleach powder and also my True Lights developer in 30 volume. Now this is the consistency that we want, so it's kind of like pap custard like, so that's the consistency that we want. As I always say, you're just going to apply it on your frontal like buttering bread. You will ensure that it doesn't sip too deep into the lace, and even if it does, it can be fixed, and I'm going to show you how to do that later in the video. Once that's done, we're just going to set our timer for about 15 minutes. You can leave it to 20 minutes, but I think 15 minutes is safe, so we're just going to leave that to bleach. Then we're going to wash it. I'm just showing you the end product of me bleaching the hair. I know now on camera the roots look really brown, but trust me, it's absolutely fine. If yours look more brown than that, then just know that you've over bleached it, and what you want to do is maybe use like a dye just to correct the roots, which I'm still going to do in this video because I'm trying to tint the lace to become more like my color. As you can see from the camera, the lace is like very beige and I am very brown, so I'm just going to clip that away with like some alligator clips, as you can see. Then I'm just going to use my regular scissors to cut off the extra lace, just to customize it to my hairline. Normally I use a manicure scissors, but I couldn't find that for this video, so I'm just using my regular scissors. And notice the way I'm cutting the hair, guys. I'm not cutting it across like we use the ruler. I'm cutting it like I'm trying to let it match the ridges of the already tweezed hair or my hairline. That's what we want. We want it to be very, very natural. Now I'm going to do this prior to tinting the lace, just because I don't want to waste my products on the lace I'm still going to cut away, if you get. So to tint my lace, I've done this severally. All I do is put a dull honey brown, some hot water, I mix it together, and I just paint it over the lace. And once that's done, I don't wash it away. I just dry it with my blow dryer on cool setting. If you want to wash it away, that's up to you, but I don't do that. So once that's done, I just go in and I lay it on my head, which you guys are going to see in the next clip. Okay, yeah, so I have at this point laid the hair. As you can see, I've laid the complete wig on my edges. Then I have like straightened the hair. I straightened everything, but I'm not sure if I proper like straightened it out, and I didn't want that because I felt like this hair, look at the texture, it's like kinky straight. There isn't no point like straightening it completely bone straight. You're just going to lose the texture. So I'm just going to try and style. I haven't decided what style I want. If I want like, let me see, a side, or let me try and do a center on camera so you guys can see. So there's a mirror right in front of me. I'm just trying to use that to line the hair straight across, just to be sure my center part is straight. Yeah, so yeah, what you guys think? So center side, I was also even thinking maybe like a half updo, so like half up, half down. What do you think? So I'm just going to straighten the hair on camera just to see how it holds. So let's say I was going for a side part, right? So let's go see. Notice that it has this like hump naturally. I think when I was straightening the hair, I kind of straightened it as a center part, so obviously that's probably why. But this hair is so natural. Like, I think, funny how I used to wear this kind of hair, like this was probably the first extension that I bought with my money, because when I first started going natural, I wanted wigs or weaves that matched my hair. So I have my straightener here already. This is the Remington straightener. This is on 230 degrees. So I'm just gonna, actually I should have used the chase method, so let's try and do that. I'm also going to curl it for using a straightener just to see how well it curls. I don't know, this reminds me of freshly blown out texlaxed hair. So let's see. Okay, fair enough. By the way, this is 18 inches hair from SoGood Hair. Now the verdict is, do I think the hair is so good? First of all, I think the 150 density is 150 density. Like, it's so full. I'm just gonna turn around now so you guys can see how full this hair is. Like, just look at this. It's proper full. Let me stand up a wee bit so you can see where it reaches. This is supposed to be 18 inches. So that's that. So I'm also going to try and curl the hair on camera. By the way, guys, as you could have seen from the beginning of this video, I've bleached the knots. So if it looks like it's growing out of my scalp, it took a bit of work. Pardon me, a bit of work. So yeah, I decided not to wear, like, you know, Vavavoom makeup for this hairstyling because, number one, honestly, I'm not going anywhere. Secondly, I felt like the hairstyle is, like, you know, chilled, like just natural looking. So I didn't feel like I needed to do anything glamorous. I'm gonna curl the hair so you can see. And so let's see. Let me use this side as well, since this one I'm using for a guinea pig. Let me use from the back. So this is the hair. I'm obviously gonna curl it with my straightener. So let's see if it holds a curl. Woo! Can you guys see? This is amazing. Wow. This is like live on camera. Okay, I didn't do this part well. Let me do that part again so you guys can see. What? This hair is amazing. Now I'm tempted to curl everything. And this is me scattering it. Okay, so now let me try and do bangs. I think, oh gosh, oh gosh, oh gosh, oh gosh. I hope I don't ruin this. Oh, this is actually really pretty. Really pretty. Really, really pretty. It even gives like dimensions. Can you see? This is really nice. Okay, so let me straighten it back so I don't look like a weirdo. Let's see. Okay, that's not it. This is it. Wow. Okay, this is really, really nice. This is really, really nice. Let me just flip this once so I lose all the curls at the end. Okay, that's it. Okay, now let me give my verdict of this hair. So first things first, the delivery was extremely fast. Like, they used DHL as always, and it came so fast. Then what I noticed when it came is the hair did not have any smell. It wasn't in any special super fancy packaging, just a nice, you know, plain white packaging as you saw in the beginning of the video. Another thing I noticed was that the hair wasn't shedding. It was only when I started like tweezing for the edges that obviously some came out when I brushed it. I washed it, and when I applied water on the hair, I don't know if I showed that at the beginning of the video, I think I did. It had some kind of wave, which was quite nice. So yeah, this is the hair. I think it's really nice. I think it's really natural. I'm gonna try and put it in like a half. I'm really playing with this hair because I like the look. I think this should be my, you know, just if I'm going for this, assuming I relax my hair or I texlax my hair, I like the look. I actually like the look. Let me try and put it in a bun. Let's see. In a half bun. Okay. Obviously I might need to like, you know, straighten it down a bit. I don't know if you can see my reflection in the mirror behind me. But yeah, this hair is not bad at all. I really, really like the texture. I really like it. The lace, obviously I had to tint it. It was nice. I would say this is a really good purchase for the price. This is a really, really good purchase. This is a really, really, really good purchase for the price. Let me know what you guys think. I like this hair. Let me know what you guys think. I'm going to try and, you know, this is my initial review. So obviously, maybe my next video, I'm going to like proper style it. Maybe I would have curled the entire head. And just have people asking me, is this your hair? Your hair is so long. So yeah. So far so good. Lovely hair. Lovely, lovely, lovely hair. I'm enjoying myself. I'm gonna comb it back to a center part, all on camera. So this is a very chatty review. Okay, let me get my tail comb. So yeah. So actually, on second thoughts, I think I've actually done center parting already. So I'm gonna try and do, you know, this style that there won't be any parts, but it will be center parts, like this kind of 90s. Yeah, this is what I'm going for. Let me try and see if I can. Let me use a smaller comb instead. So no parts, but the hair goes back or falls to your face. I don't know. Okay, I don't think I'm getting what I'm trying to do. I think I got it earlier. Okay, I think this is it. Yeah, I think this is it. So it's actually a center part, but with no part. Yeah, I think this is it. So yeah, shout out to SoGood Hair. This is 18 inches of kinky straights, and I really like the hair. I think this is one of my easiest hair that didn't need too much work. All I did was, okay, I straightened it actually because it was so voluminous. I didn't need too much work, and I like it. I like it. I really like this texture. See the hair that I curled is still there. I think I should actually straighten this back, or maybe leave it tomorrow. So by the time I'm editing video, I'll let you know if the curl has fallen. Yeah, so I think this hair could actually also go in like an updo, like a complete updo. Just at the back. Okay, so let's try. Okay, so if it was supposed to be in a complete updo, this is how it will be. Okay, I need to pin the back properly. Yeah, this is how it will look. Yeah, but I also like that the lace is thin enough. I'll try and zoom in so you guys can see. And it's nice. The only thing I know about this hair is that I feel like if you don't have a comb or a brush in your bag and you mess around with it, you're forming like, you know, Baywatch hotness. You're gonna look like a hot mess. So yeah, this hair is pretty. Now I'm tempted, like, let me try and twist it. As in, I feel like the styles that you can do with this hair is limitless. You can actually twist it all up and use it for like Ghana weaving or a braid wig or something. Well, it's not a full lace wig, so maybe like, see, it looks like it's growing out of my scalp. See, pretty, pretty, pretty. Okay, so let me just in that. I hope it doesn't come out curly. Okay, this is actually really pretty. Let me see if I can do 2 pigtails with this. Okay, so let's see. I'm weaving. Ugh, my weaving is a bit rusty now, so let me try and do Didi. Yeah, much better. Didi is like inverted cornrows. So I'm just gonna turn so you can see what I mean. I should have lined it all the way through, but just for the purpose of this video, I only line it in front. Strugs. Okay, let me just do the second side of it for the sake of it. Uh-oh, I think the side I did is already loosening. Okay, so let me just hold it together. Oh, I think this is actually cute. I'm gonna style my hair like this tomorrow. Proper style. I think this is cute. This is how I'm gonna style my hair tomorrow, but I'm gonna do it more neatly. Yeah, so okay, let me take it out. Okay guys, so that's all. Another thing before I mention again about this hair is I think it's so easy to comb through though. Like, look at, for like this texture of hair, I noticed the little bit of flyaways. I purposely did not use my hair wax because I wanted this review to be very honest. Purposely did not use my hair wax. I also did not use like a serum to flatten it out. I'm sure if I did, like, hair will be more slicker. Can you see already? and then if I straighten it, but this is like, I just opened this hair today, so this is like proper first impressions. So yeah, okay, just so you get it so happy. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. Let me know what you think about this hair. I'm going to put all the links in the description box below about this hair, where to shop, if there's a discount code, how much it costs, and everything I used in this video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like, you share, please leave a comment, subscribe, and tell your friend about my channel. Until next time, stay blessed. Bye.